this January 11th at 8 p.m., we're launching a new 8-week program. This course, is all about music theory. Don't be scared, this is for beginners and it's gonna do incredible things to your playing. Whether you've been playing 1 week or a few months, this is gonna unlock a new set of ideas, and it's gonna help you name the different things that you're already playing on the guitar. This course is a gradual course. It's live, which means that you can ask questions right here on the show. You can also log into a call if you want to show me a specific fingering that you're having trouble with. In this course, we're gonna start with intervals, which is fundamental because an interval is the distance between two notes, and it's that distance that creates the magic feeling you have when you're hearing a song. Those intervals are going to help you understand why certain notes sound better than others. We're also going to get into chords. We're going to teach you how to make your own chords, which is going to be great for the songwriters that are out there who want to develop new ideas and not sound like anyone else. We're also going to get into scales, which is going to basically give you the alphabets that are going to be used to create solos in a very super easy way to understand. Every lesson, every week is going to build on the previous one. This is an 8-week program, and at the end of this 8-week program, you'll be able to go on and understand basically any music theory concept that is thrown to you. We're going to cover pentatonic scales, we're going to cover modes, we're going to cover all these concepts that you might have heard of, but we're scared to get into. Some people get to theory later in life after playing years and years, and that's okay. This course is for you too. But if you're just beginning, you need to be here. This is really going to do incredible things for your playing. I've said that a lot, but it's true. I hope to see you here. jamplay.com, January 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time.